4 Advantages of window sills. Dear friends, window sills are often overlooked in interior design but offer far more than aesthetic appeal. These horizontal ledges, located at the bottom of windows, have several advantages that go beyond their decorative function. In this video, we'll explore 4 key advantages of window sills that homeowners and designers should consider. 1. Aesthetic enhancement. Window sills that enhance the overall aesthetics of a room. They provide a finishing touch to windows, creating a sense of completion and sophistication. Whether your interior design is modern, classic, or somewhere in between, window sills can be customized to complement your style. They come in various materials, such as wood, stone, or cement, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your decor. 2. Functional utility. Window sills aren't just for looks, they also serve a functional purpose. These ledges can be used for various practical purposes, adding to their value. Here are some ways you can utilize window sills. Display space. Place decorative items like potted plants, figurines, or artwork on the window sill to showcase your style. Additional seating. In window bays or alcoves, window sills can be transformed into cozy seating areas, creating a comfortable spot to read or relax. Workspace. Some homeowners use deep window sills as small workspaces, ideal for setting up a laptop or doing paperwork with natural light streaming in. 3. Protection against moisture and damage. Window sills play a crucial role in protecting your home from moisture-related issues. They act as a barrier against rain, preventing water from seeping into the interior walls. Window sills are especially important in areas with heavy rainfall. Without adequate protection, moisture can lead to mold, rot, and structural damage. Well-designed window sills help maintain the integrity of your home by keeping it dry and free from water damage. 4. Easy maintenance and durability. One often underestimated benefit of window sills is their low maintenance requirements. High-quality sills made from durable materials are built to withstand the test of time. They are resistant to warping, cracking, and other forms of wear and tear. Additionally, cleaning them is a breeze. This ease of maintenance ensures that your window sills will continue to enhance your home's aesthetics and functionality without requiring extensive upkeep. The durability and low-maintenance nature of window sills makes them a practical and worthwhile addition to any home. Their ability to stand up to the elements while still providing home appeals is a testament to their value in form and function. Investing in quality window sills not only enhances the visual appeal of your space but also ensures that they will continue to serve their purpose for years to come. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.